What is going on, my good old friends of YouTube? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we have to go over Nvidia stock in this one. As you guys saw in the title, we're going to break down the charts, how the stock's doing so far today, and some news that we just got from Nvidia CEO as he just did an interview on CNBC. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and of course, don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for a Moo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moo and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which guys, that's a no-brainer. So again, check out the link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moo, and of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So it's currently about 2:30 p.m. on the East Coast, so we're about an hour and a half away from the market closing, and all of the indexes right now, by the way, are in the red. The Russell's down 0.75%, S&P's down 0.3%, same with the NASDAQ, as the Dow's down 0.6%, and the VIX, the volatility index, is up almost 8%, popping over 20 points yet again. And by the way, in the midst of this volatility and the red, Nvidia stock is up over 3% at $122.75 right now. And earlier in the day, guys, we blew up over $124 per share. At one point, we were up almost 5% on the day. Big move here for Nvidia stock, guys. And with this move, we're taking out the highs from yesterday, you guys can see, which yesterday I think we hit a high in the aftermarket as Nvidia CEO was on that interview on CNBC. And you guys can see we took out that high from the aftermarket yesterday and from the day before that, which that was on Tuesday morning. We hit 122.30 and we took out the highs from Monday. So this looks really good on the charts, guys. We're above the moving averages on this 5-day, 5-minute. We have a golden cross. We're taking out the highs from this entire week. And it looks like slowly but surely, Nvidia is reversing in the short term, right? To the upside. You can see on the 30-minute chart as well, we're breaking out of both the 50 and the 180 here. And you guys can see now we're up from the 114 low, which that was yesterday's low in the pre-market. We're up over 7% off those lows, which is quite a remarkable move for a company the size of Nvidia. We're $2.9 trillion, guys. This company is obviously massive, and here on the 1-hour chart, it's clearly continuing an uptrend, and we talked about this wedge, didn't we, in my video yesterday? Now it looks like we're breaking out of the top of the wedge, which is great for the bulls, and we're not completely breaking out of the downwards channel. I'm choking on the video here, guys. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. But we are slowly but surely breaking the moving averages on the 4-hour as well, which is a very, very good sign. And actually, we have a bit of a cup and handle playing out right here. Some cup and handle action on this time frame. Let me actually draw the channel out to see kind of where we're at right now. Yeah, looks like we're testing it right now, guys, and it's ideal for Nvidia to break out of 127. That was the high from a couple days ago, and ultimately 130. If it does get out of there, yeah, a full-on breakout could be coming on the stock here. So let me show you what we got in terms of Nvidia CEO, the news that we got, which I'm not surprised. We've talked about this before on the channel. You guys can see the headline right here. Nvidia CEO says demand for next generation Blackwell AI chip is insane, quote unquote, insane, which is very, very good news, guys. And he said this in an interview with CNBC's Closing Bell Overtime, that again, demand for the company's next gen AI chip Blackwell is insane. And we also got some news of the expanded partnership with Accenture. You guys probably know about that. So coming down here a little bit more. Here we go, guys. Let me actually make my big old head a bit smaller. Beautiful. There we go. Perfect. So Nvidia CEO said that demand, yada, 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 is insane. Everybody wants to have the most, and everybody wants to be first, he said. And shares of Nvidia were up in the aftermarket like we saw, and this morning as we got this news. And Blackwell, get this, is expected to cost between $30,000 and $40,000 per unit and is in hot demand from companies including OpenAI, Microsoft, Meta. Have you guys heard of these companies? Obviously, right? And other firms that are building AI data centers to power products like ChatGPT and Copilot. And coming down here a little bit more, Nvidia has obviously been the main beneficiary of the AI boom. The company's revenue continued to surge during the fiscal second quarter to over $30 billion, up 122% on an annual basis, and they expect $32.5 billion in sales during the current quarter, which those numbers should be coming out soon here. And the CEO also said, quote, at a time when technology is moving so fast, which it keeps getting faster and faster, guys. It keeps on getting faster. It gives us an opportunity to triple down, to really drive the innovation cycle so that we can increase capabilities, increase our throughput, decrease our costs, which is key, and decrease our energy consumption. The CEO said we're on a path to do exactly that, and everything is on track, right? And get this, the CEO of the company, Colette Kress, said in August, a month ago, or 2 months ago now, that the company expects to ship several $billion in Blackwell revenue in the company's fourth fiscal quarter. So I am 100% on the train that Nvidia is very close to all-time highs. I think we might even hit them by the end of this year. I know that's crazy, maybe not so crazy, honestly, but I'm thinking a breakout heading into the end of the year is coming. That's my personal opinion, and we've seen the numbers before. Nvidia does very well in Q4 and in Q1, and with the Blackwell AI chip, ramping, launching, right? Very good news here. That could propel the numbers, right? And then reflect in the stock price and push this thing to all-time highs. Because, again, Q4, Q1, typically very good for Nvidia, historically speaking, right? So I'm very excited about that. Blackwell, literally everything Nvidia is doing, guys. I'm super pumped. I'm excited about it. And, I'm in this as a long-term investment, as you guys know. But in my trading account, I might be in it soon as well. I'm not in it in my trading account right now. I'm waiting for the breakout. And if we do break this channel, which ultimately I think is going to happen, I'm just waiting for the confirmation above 127 to 130. That's the breakout spot. If we get out of there, guys, oh man, this thing's going to be juicy in the trading account as well. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Run the likes up. Make sure to subscribe and check out my Patreon if you guys want to be a part of the Discord, see my charts and ideas throughout the week. And if you guys want to see, most importantly, my private Patreon portfolio, which I'm putting in money every single week. All the moves, full transparency is all on Patreon. Link down below. And guys, that portfolio has been crushing it. So make sure to check it out. Link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next one.